Meron ka bang binibentang product o service pero sinasabi ng client mo,
Mahal naman yan.
wala akong pera. Pag-isipan ko muna. So, in this video, sasagutin ko yan. Sa perspective ng online marketing, ang goal natin is not to convince people from a no to a yes. Ang goal natin is to find ready-to-buy clients and just present our offer to them. Yes, dahil nasa online na tayo, imposibleng maubusan pa tayo ng prospect. Actually nga, sobrang daming prospect natin, ang tendency, binibentahan natin lahat. After selling over 1 billion sales on the internet, I want to teach you a lesson. Step number 1 is only sell to clients that is, first, willing to buy o yung mga gustong bumili. Second is able to buy o yung mga kayang bumili. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo dapat binibentahan ng taong wala namang interest sa product mo kasi nga, hindi sila willing to buy. Also, dapat hindi mo rin binibentahan ng mga taong walang pera kasi nga, hindi sila able to buy. Klaro ba? So, eto ang gawin mo. Instead of focusing your energy in convincing and selling to clients, focus your energy in marketing, then qualify them. Yes, i-qualify mo sila. Hindi pwedeng i-entertain mo lahat kasi mababaliw ka. The common method is qualify them manually by asking questions. Pero another is dapat sa ad mo or sa video mo, clear na kung para kanino ang produkto mo. For example, kung mahal ang produkto mo, focus ka lang sa mga business owners at sila lang ang kausapin mo. Huwag ka nang ma-aksay ng oras sa iba. And that's how you attract hot and ready-to-buy clients that are lining up willing to give you money. This is Fibo Lim. Follow me for more.